And here's Auntie Nedu. After a day spent tensioning Lagos people and being tensioned by them, the hot Lagos sun has made her very thirsty. So will she have an ice cold fizzy drink? No, too much sugar. Or will she have a nutritious glass of tiger nut milk? Yes! Good for the body! Tiger nuts are a good source of vitamins, antioxidants, and protein. Here you go. Tiger nut milk is super refreshing. Even the nuts by themselves are a lovely snack to munch on. To make the milk, one will need a fine sieve. This would help in separating the chaff from the milk. I prefer to use a sieve cloth pouch made from organza. Yes, organza is a lightweight fabric that is tightly woven enough to filter efficiently. I cut a rectangle of organza 20 inches long and 8 inches wide. I specifically chose this dimension as it would fit perfectly over the lid of my blender cup. Then, I folded the rectangle in half and sewed with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. I sewed the left edge and then I sewed the right edge. And when I turned it out, it looks like exactly what I need. Yay! Now I'm placing the sieve pouch directly over the lid of my blender cup. It fits perfectly well. It was so easy to make, and I do hope you try this, especially because it's more hygienic to make your own tiger nut milk at home. Happy sewing!